In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share presentation view only. If you need to let colleagues, clients, or classmates see your slides without giving them the power to change anything, this is the safest and quickest way to do it. Start with your presentation open on your screen. Look to the top right corner for the Share button. Depending on your app, it may look like a plus sign with a person or simply say Share, but it's typically parked up there in the toolbar. Click it to open the sharing panel. This is the control center for who can access your deck and what they're allowed to do. From here, decide how you want to reach people. If you already know exactly who should see the deck, enter their email addresses in the field provided. Most tools will suggest contacts as you type, so choose the correct ones and double-check spelling to make sure your invite lands in the right inboxes. If you prefer to post one link wherever your audience is, maybe a chat thread, a classroom portal, or a project hub, choose the option to copy the link instead. That puts a shareable URL on your clipboard, ready to paste into any message. Keep in mind that shared links can travel quickly, so use them when a broader audience is intended. For tighter control, email invites are often best. Before you send anything, set the permission. Under the Permissions dropdown or role selector, choose Viewer. Viewer keeps your file read only. People can open the presentation, navigate through slides, and even present full screen, but they can't edit text, move objects, rearrange slides, or delete anything. In many tools, viewer access also limits actions like downloading or commenting unless separately enabled, which helps preserve your original formatting and protects your source content. Look for an eye icon or a clear label confirming view only so you know it's set correctly. Once viewer is selected, you're ready to share. If you entered email addresses, click Send to deliver invitations directly from the app. Recipients will get a message with a button that opens the deck in their browser or presentation software, already locked to view only. If you copied the link, paste it into your email, chat, or announcement and share it with your audience. Everyone who receives that link will be limited to viewing, matching the permission you set. Before closing the panel, take a quick glance to confirm it still says Viewer. That small check prevents accidental edits and keeps your version intact. That's it. Click Share, choose how to reach people, set permission to Viewer, and then send or share the link. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along.